The International Day for the Abolition of Slavery was initiated by the United Nations General Assembly on 2nd December. The Convention for the Suppression of the Traffic in Persons and the Exploitation of the Prostitution of Others was passed by the Assembly on 2nd December 1949. Likewise, by Resolution 57/195 of 18th December 2002, the Assembly notified 2004 the International Year to memorialize the struggles against slavery and its abolition. This day focuses on eliminating present day forms of slavery such as trafficking in persons, sexual exploitation, child labor, forced marriage, and the pressurized recruitment of children for use in armed rivalry. During this day, many people take an opportunity to share their views in writings through poetry, essay, interviews, feature articles, stories, and other kinds of published material. Sessions are conducted to review the history of the slave trade, its evolution, and changes that occurred in the due course of time. The modern day slave trade and its effects on human rights are promoted by online, print, and broadcast media during this celebration. Some political leaders also participate in this event by conveying their message to work together in eliminating any kind of slavery in modern society. Newsletters, leaflets, flyers, posters, and other published materials about abolishing slavery and the slave trade are dispensed across the universities and other public areas.